Network types. I promised I would not spend too much time talking about terms and things that you should know. Yes, I recommend you go for, let's say, CCENT or CCNA if you want to learn more. So yeah, I will spend literally 2 minutes talking about things that will take you hours or sometimes days when you go for a certificate, for instance, from Cisco, CompTIA or Microsoft. Here, what you have to understand, and this is really important when we get to hardware, and I will show you a network device like router, access point, IP camera, and so on. We have two main network types: a local area network and then a wide area network. A local area network is in your office. So for instance, you have a printer, a server, a couple of PCs, and then they are connected to a special device that is called a switch. Here you have two examples. This is a small office, home office switch. We'll see a switch from TP-Link later on and an HP switch as well. But this is what we use in a local area network. Now you can say, because we did test our internet connection a few minutes ago, you can ask, okay, can I test my local area network? Yes, of course you can, and the easiest way is just to copy a file from one laptop to another, or from a PC to a server. There are dedicated tools, for instance, LAN speed test, if you want to download this tool and play with it, but the easiest way is to share a folder, then upload a file from point A to point B and see how fast it is. I'll show you because I have two folders open. So here I have a couple of a few videos, and then here is a folder that is on my server. You can ask, how can I share a file like this? How can I share a folder? Well, we'll talk about it later on, but I will just show you straight away. We go to properties, and here you can just say, yes, I want to share this folder, and that's it. Then even using the network option here, you can access this place from another PC that is in your local area network. Please remember, we're talking about your local area network. I can just take a file I want, I can paste it here, and I can see, well, around 12 megabytes per second. Please note, it's megabytes per second, not megabits per second, okay? And this link that I have is a standard link that you can find today. It's 100 megabits per second, okay? Do you remember? If we divide it by 8, we get around 12 megabytes per second. This screenshot that you can see over here, as you can see, it's 100 megabytes per second, and it means that I was connected to a gigabit switch. It means 1000 megabits per second. The second type is wide area network. It means we want to have a router, and then we have two local area networks, and this is all I'm going to show you, because this is general networking. You just have to know, oh, there is a wide area network, and that's it. Please memorize that there is a device called router. Of course, you have a router at home as well that allows you to connect to the internet, but a router connects to local area networks.